Welcome to the Greenbridge Minute, brought to you by Greenbridge Society and Greenbridge Health. I'm Dr. Gerald Knepp. Today we're looking at the cannabis strain, Lime Skunk. This strain is a favorite daytime strain for relieving anxiety and depression. Many patients have reported feeling happy, uplifted, and energetic after medicating with Lime Skunk products. Lime Skunk is an aromatic sativa strain bred by Exotic Genetics. In 2008, Exotic Genetics began breeding cannabis strains in Tacoma, Washington, and they have won numerous awards for their unique strains, such as Cookies and Cream. Lime Skunk was bred by crossing the award-winning Lemon Skunk from DNA Genetics with Green Ribbon BX from Exotic Genetics. Lime Skunk is a parent strain for other well-known strains like Green Line OG and Mr. Clean. Lime Skunk is grown and marketed by Cresco Labs, which has retail locations in 7 states. Let's look at a few of their products sold in Pennsylvania. We'll be comparing 3 vape cartridges, a sugar concentrate, and a batch of flour. At Greenbridge Health, we teach our patients to pay close attention to our product's chemical composition. The chemical composition of a product can vary with each batch depending on growing conditions, time of harvest, and processing. As you can see from the spreadsheet, the cartridges and sugar have moderately high levels of THC at roughly 70%, which is much higher than most CBD-containing strains, but it's lower than many other THC-dominant strains that regularly produce concentrates with THC over 80%. The batch of Lime Skunk flower has a relatively high concentration of THCA at over 27%. Now remember, THCA is the acid form of THC, so THCA converts to THC with heat, and the conversion is called decarboxylation due to the loss of the carboxyl group. Smoking and vaping cause a sudden conversion, and when making edibles, the conversion happens at lower temperatures and takes longer. You'll predominantly see high concentrations of THCA in less processed products such as flour and concentrates. In these Lime Skunk products from Cresco, we see relatively higher concentrations of the minor cannabinoid CBG. The vape cartridges contain a significant amount of CBG, with one cartridge nearing 6%. Like THCA and THC, CBGA is the acid form of CBG and is converted to CBG by heat. And as expected, we see higher concentrations of CBGA in the concentrate and the flour products. CBGA is also considered the mother cannabinoid because in the cannabis plant, it's converted to THCA, CBDA, and CBCA. Harvesting a cannabis plant before all the CBGA is converted to these other cannabinoids is a way to increase the amount of CBG in the final products. Harvesting early also shortens the turnaround time of a grow room. Some hemp strains, like the white CBG from Oregon CBD, have been bred to limit the conversion of CBGA to other cannabinoids, resulting in cannabis flower with CBGA concentrations as high as 20%. We need more research looking into CBG, but the preclinical studies seem promising. CBG is considered non-intoxicating and non-sedating, with the ability to limit some of the side effects associated with THC. CBG has also demonstrated anti-anxiety, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and neuroprotective properties. Now let's look at the terpene composition of the Lime Skunk products. Terpenes are naturally found in cannabis, and they can be considered the essential oils of the plant. They contribute to the aroma and flavor of the cannabis strain, and some terpenes have demonstrated medical benefits. More clinical research is needed on their effects. From the spreadsheet, we can see that the Lime Skunk products contain higher amounts of the terpene terpinolene. Now, terpinolene is a common terpene in cannabis, but it's usually only found in small amounts. Strains such as Lime Skunk with high concentrations of terpinolene are fairly rare. The aroma of terpinolene can be described as a fresh scent with hints of floral, pine, and citrus. Anecdotal reports from patients indicate that strains higher in terpinolene tend to be more uplifting, happy, and cheerful. Preliminary research on terpinolene has found a mild sedating effect in animal studies. Terpinolene has also demonstrated an ability to inhibit the growth of brain tumor cells in the lab, and it may play a role in preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which could help prevent heart disease. Now, terpenes are typically very volatile, and the concentrations can be affected by harvesting and processing techniques, so we recommend checking out the actual terpene concentrations for each specific product before purchasing. There are over 100 reviews for Lime Skunk on Leafly.com. The majority of the reviewers report feeling uplifted, happy, and energetic, and that Lime Skunk helps with depression, stress, and anxiety. Lime Skunk is a good daytime strain for helping with depression and anxiety, especially for experienced cannabis consumers. The strain's combination of relatively higher concentrations of CBG and terpinolene seem to contribute to its reported effectiveness. Due to its moderately high THC level, there is a chance of experiencing unwanted THC side effects. As always with cannabis, it's best to start at a low dose and slowly increase. Thank you for watching. If you need help with your medical cannabis treatment program, schedule an appointment on our website, greenbridgehealth.com, to meet with one of our experienced medical professionals. We look forward to helping guide you on your cannabis journey back to health.